Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Zillow's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Zillow's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in zillow.com and make a search. It will take you to the official page of your Zillow's account. Click on Sign In at the top right side of the page. On the next page, click on New Account option. Enter your email address and create a password for your Zillow's account. Tick mark on the box if you are a landlord or industry professional. Now select your profession type. Enter your first and last name, your zip code or postal code, your phone number and tap on Continue. This is how you can sign up for your Zillow's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.